Hello, Hathorians, and welcome to Nano Insights. This series will be presented between a mixture of articles from the dev and product team and podcasts with builders who will be testing nano contracts. We hope you enjoy this journey ahead. And in this episode, we'll be introducing Dozer Protocol, getting to know who they are, their vision, and eventually their experience with testing nano contracts. So, without further ado, let's introduce them. Hey, Bulldozer. Hey, Toaster. How you guys doing today?
Hey Neil,
Hello
how's it
guys,
going?
fine.
All good.
Amazing, amazing. Thanks for making the time to speak to us. And just to run the community through what's going to be happening, this is just an introduction to Dozer Protocol. And eventually, we will be doing more phases in this series with testing later down the line. So, we mainly want to get to know them today. So, my first question to them is tell us about yourselves and your experience in crypto. And yeah, let's get to know you guys.
So hey Hathorians, it's very good to have the opportunity to share the work we have been doing with Dozer Protocol. So Neil, thanks for that opportunity. So I am Bulldozer. I am around the community quite some time, and my formal and my work, I actually work with software developer. I tackle more the front end developer, but I also work with product designing and some of back end, and I also like the languages of Python, C, TypeScript, and JavaScript. I also work with cybersecurity, so I usually take some trainings on hacking, on cyber defense, and this kind of stuff. My formal background is actually electronic engineering, but when I migrated to software, I enjoyed the process a lot and I learned a lot, the new techs and the new technologies that were around. So that's kind of how I came into crypto because of the tech. So one day, a friend of mine, he told me that some guys who actually studied on our university, the Hathor team, did the same university as I did, and this guy were building a amazing blockchain who solves the blockchain trilemma. And I got deep in the Hathor community, and I've been around as bulldozer since. So, and you have Topster also in the Dozer Protocol team.
Toaster, tell us about yourself.
Hello guys, I am Toaster. It starts with Thoth, Toth, and is a name of an Egyptian god just like Hathor.
Ah, nice.
I am 27 years old and have the same academic formation as Bulldozer. So even with this formation, my first job is IT analyst. But last year, I went to the area I've been passionate with, software development. My experience in crypto is not as mature as Bulldozer, but I've been around science since last
Amazing.
year, and this challenge about technology area grabbed me very quickly.
Amazing. Great to hear from you guys. And it's good to hear that your story, you heard about builders of Hathor, had the same academic background as you guys. And, that's how you got to know about Hathor. And here you are today. So great to have you guys on board. Bulldozer, tell me how you came together as a team.
So actually, Toaster is a very close friend of mine. We lived together from 2013 to 18, and we did the same classes in the college. So we know each other very well. And since last year, we started to work again on our daily job, development, cybersecurity systems. And since I knew the capabilities of Hathor Nano Contracts, I wanted to bring something into the network. And alone is very hard to build something like that, big and very trustable and that works. And when I talked to Tofte, he about the project and everything, he just jumped in.
Amazing. It's good to have a friend like that, especially you live together, you know each other really well, and you have the same same background. And like you said, bringing your cybersecurity experience to the table is such a big thing. So we wish you good luck on the start of your journey, and that journey is with Dozer Protocol. So tell us about Dozer Protocol.
So Dozer Protocol is meant to be the first DeFi protocol on Hathor Network. As a DeFi protocol, we need some critical infrastructure first. So we will build a swap platform, and we need this decentralized exchange so people can exchange tokens, so they have different fiat values. You
Yeah,
need those different tokens to work with DeFi.
yeah.
And so we provide the swap platform and the pools. And the main feature that we want to build is the lending and borrowing protocol.
Amazing, amazing. Yeah, like being the first DeFi protocol in Hathor is quite a big thing, and I could definitely see the need for a providing of swap, decentralized exchange, even the whole lending and borrowing aspect is definitely what's needed when building on a chain. And being one of the first to do that is quite ambitious. So, well done and good luck on that journey. And Toaster, tell us why you chose to build on Hathor.
So Hathor have many features that can excite developers to build on it, but I will talk about three of the main features that we see on Hathor Network that benefits our use case. The first one is feeless. This feelessness of Hathor Network will benefit our use case because this can greatly reduce the cost of the transactions instead of the high fees that Ethereum have put on its transactions. And the second one is that Hathor is very scalable, and without the architecture bottlenecks that Ethereum has, Hathor is fast, and this is crucial for DeFi because the users need to be quick and effective. And the last one, Hathor is easy to integrate. For us, it will be easy to evolve the protocol and maintain it to provide better use case for the network.
You hit the nail on the head with the three main ones, fearlessness, scalability, and easy to integrate. These are the three things that make Hathor great. And yeah, touching on Ethereum bottlenecks such as like scalability and fees. And a lot of DeFi protocols out there are built on Ethereum, and I think that's where they have their pains. With when it comes to, like, let's say it's DeFi, lending, borrowing, swapping, whatever it may be, each transaction comes with a fee. And even actually nowadays, it's the middle of February, the fees are quite high on Ethereum. And it kind of just depends on if there's a hype day or how the market conditions are. But with Hathor, we have fearlessness all the time, no matter what day it is, what time it is. And that's what will help a DeFi protocol like the one you guys are planning on building. So cool. Thanks for running through those reasons. And yeah, like my final question to you guys is, how do you believe your use case will benefit from the use of nano contracts?
Actually, all DeFi protocols require smart contracts. And as Nano Contracts will be easy to implement, we predict a exponential growth on the ecosystem when it attracts non-blockchain developers. Because 99% of the developers don't know how to code in Solidity. That is the EVM, the Ethereum language. So those devs, they can integrate their businesses and their applications to Hathor and to our protocol. They will bring a lot of users. So nano contracts being easy to build with, this is amazing. We predict a lot of adoption from users that don't even know they are using the blockchain, like the banks in Brazil that are using this technology. The final users actually don't know Hathor, but they are using it. So for us, this is adoption. And also, as we truly believe Hathor technology and its future adoption, being early on this ecosystem will give us the opportunity to capture the network growth, and this will make the Dozer protocol the go-to DeFi protocol for users, for developers, and for investors. That's what we believe.
Amazing, amazing. Yeah, no, I couldn't agree more. And yeah, we look forward to seeing what you build and your journey with building it with or without the use of nano contracts. But it's great to have you guys on board testing the first phase of testnet and seeing how you guys can integrate with it. But yeah, that's a wrap. So we introduced Dozer Protocol today, and in the next coming episodes, we'll be interviewing more projects and taking you back through Dozer Protocol and their experience with testing on testnet. So we're looking forward to bringing you that content. Up until then, this is a wrap for today. Thanks, Bulldozer and Toaster, for taking the time to speak to us today. Have a great day, and we'll catch up soon.
Thank you for the opportunity, Neil.
Thanks, all the community. We need to go back to work.
Amazing. We'll speak to you guys soon, and take care. Ciao.